Hey guys, welcome to my channel. I look a little crazy right now and my backdrop is a little crazy because I'm in the process of moving from Reno, Nevada back to California. So as you can see, I already have my foundation on as well as my eyebrows. I've already concealed them as well. And today I'm going to be doing a review of the Crown Pro palette. So it looks like this when you open it up. Very pretty. It's a neutral Nelly palette, so it's very neutral, nice, pretty, soft colors. We have some shimmers, very pretty packaging. This came in the most recent BoxyCharm, if I do remember correctly. So before we get started, I just want to say I'm Adrianna. Thank you for watching this video. Thank you for subscribing to my channel, so be sure and subscribe. And let's just jump right in. And I'm also using natural lighting, so if it looks a little crazy, like, that's why. And I know I have, like, the biggest head, but it's fine. So I'm going to be dipping in with this shade right here. There's no names on the palette, but it's okay. And I'm going to be using an M573 from Morphe. And I'm just going to go ahead and put this in the crease, kind of use it as a nice transition shade. I'm going to kind of drag it out, as you can see. Okay, next I'm going to be using another Morphe brush. It's more of like a packing brush. I'm going to be dipping into this really pretty color right here. It's a little darker, and I'm just going to pack that down in the bottom of my outer corner. Sorry. Okay, sorry, my sister called me. Okay, so I'm just going to keep packing this and dragging it out as well as up and then towards the inner corner. I really like this palette. I feel like it's definitely one that I would be reaching for in the future. It blends very nicely. Very creamy formula. Sorry, that's my air condition, but it's like 105. So I'm not going to turn it off for the sake of the video. Then I'm going to kind of drag it down in the corner here. And you're probably wondering why I'm only doing one eye. I'm actually going to do this one off camera just to save us some time for the sake of the video. I don't want everybody to be watching my video for like 30 minutes. I'm just going to go back with my first transition shade and just blend out the top and just kind of like buff it out. I think this is just such a pretty color and such a pretty palette. And I'm really, really excited to use it. So I'm going to go ahead and do a cut crease. I've really been into the half cut crease lately. So I'm just going to be using some CoverGirl concealer. It looks like this. It looks like a lipstick in the shade 705. And I'm going to be using a Morphe M421. It looks like this. And I'm just going to be using this to cut my crease. I like to cut my crease with a really flat brush. Just because I think it lays the concealer better. That's just me in my opinion. Cut crease takes forever. This is probably the longest, most tedious part of the process in my opinion. I'm going to cut it just a little bit more that way. Just a little bit more towards the outer corner of my eye, so that way I can add more of like a shimmery gold color towards the inner corner, and then more of like a rosy, I might do some rose glitter. I don't know yet. More of like a rosy pink shimmer to it. Makeup wipes, like shout out to Neutrogena. I use you guys every day. I'm going to be dipping into my Bretman Rock and Morphe highlighter palette, and I'm just going to take a small brush and pack on some of this Mahu and put that on my eye. Sometimes I'll use highlighters. So that's really pretty. Sometimes I use highlighters as eyeshadow. Especially when I'm going for like a super, super shimmery look. Okay, so now I'm going to do my other eye, my liner, and my lashes off camera, and I will be right back. Hey guys, so I finished applying my lashes and my eyeliner off camera. So next I'm going to move into my contour. I am a big fan of cream contour. I just really like it best, especially since I'm so like pale and like fair skinned. I know people are like, you should probably be doing concealer first, but I like to just get the bronzy brown tone on here and then blend out my concealer after. Okay, and then next I'm going to go ahead and take my concealer. Where is it? I'm going to be using the NYX HD Studio Concealer in the shade 02. Let me get a mirror. And then I'm going to snatch my nose. Oh, I look real cute. This is a look. Yes. No, actually, it's really not a look at all. Okay. Okay, and then I'm going to go ahead and I'm going to dampen this beauty sponge. Hey guys, so my camera decided to take a nap and I didn't realize. So I will be posting a second video strictly dedicated to contouring, but for the meantime, I have the NYX Lip Lingerie in the shade 11 on my lips. On top of that, I have the ColourPop and Laura Lee Los Angeles collaboration in the shade Wham. I really like it, really glossy, nice and creamy. So this is the final look for today. This is our look right here. I really like it. I really enjoyed this video. I hope you did too. If you could please do me a favor and give this video a thumbs up, I will greatly appreciate it, as well as subscribing to my channel. And I will be posting a link to my social media down below. Also, just go ahead and sound off in the comments. Let me know if there's anything you want me to review, anything you want to see on my channel. I really appreciate it. And don't forget to subscribe, okay? Hope everybody has a wonderful day.